Huawei has introduced its latest open format earphones, the FreeClip 2. These earphones come with a new design and feature for the first time, an in-ear artificial intelligence assistant. They maintain the well-known C-shaped design, but now incorporate a liquid silicone material that is 25% softer, providing a more comfortable fit. Additionally, the charging case has been redesigned to have a slightly more squared shape. However, the major new feature is the in-ear assistant powered by Harmony AI. With the introduction of a new NPU chip which Huawei has developed, the computing power is increased by 10 times. As a result, these headphones are capable of performing some quite impressive tasks. For instance, you can accept or reject calls just by nodding or shaking your head. Additionally, the Celia assistant is able to process lengthy notifications and carry out real-time face-to-face translations even when there's no internet connection available. Even though we will need to wait until they leave China to find out if these headphones will retain these capabilities or remove them, it's because Huawei is a bit more advanced in software and artificial intelligence within China. However, once they leave China, some features may be reduced. Regarding the sound, these headphones come with dual motor drivers that boost bass power by a full 100% compared to the previous generation. The battery offers up to 38 hours of autonomy in total, considering the case. And thanks to fast charging, they are fully charged in just 40 or 60 minutes. In addition, it has been confirmed that they will receive support for nearly audio technology later this year for even higher resolution support. Its price in China is 1,299 yuan, which at today's exchange rate would be about $180. Although remember that prices here are not the same as over there. For now, let me know your opinion. What type of headset do you prefer to use? Closed, open, headband, semi-open, or which one is your favorite?